Hey, it's Uncut here. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 quick tips that will change your life now. The first thing is don't care others' thought, because you are not them, and you cannot control them. You cannot control what they should think about you. So trust me, don't care about it. Just don't care. Okay. And the next quick tips is ask yourself what can bring you the real passion and something that you really want to do, and not what you should do is something is what make you happiness, that can bring you the happiness and you really want to do. And that's the one is just let go all the failure in the past. If you don't let it go, you cannot attack the next big one. I don't know, it could be a good one or a bad one, but if you keep immerse yourself into all the failure in the past and what it means, you will always live in the past, not moving forward. So this is today's video. If you like my video, please click the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.